Hey, remember when Black Friday was a contact sport? That was pretty cool. Nowadays, I'm pretty sure it's just one big scam. Recently, while shopping, Amazon led me down the path of enlightenment to discover the real truth about Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. This convenient tool gave it all away, the Buy It Again section. I saw a product that I would buy again until I saw the price. I paid $11.97, which jumped to $24.99. The Black Friday deal was 52% off, bringing it back down to $11.89. So I paid 8 cents more for the first time that I bought it. Not much of a deal. Have you noticed this trend of raising prices during the holidays with misleading discounts? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos from Show and Tell.